Considering a shipping container? Always buy from an expert, not from an amateur. Watch this to learn why. So most companies in our industry use very basic off-the-shelf equipment when delivering containers. And ultimately, they are also delivering other pieces of equipment using those same trucks and trailers. One day it might be a tractor, the next day it might be aggregates, it could be many different things. The challenge with that is by using very basic equipment, you get very basic results. And so ultimately, moving these around once they're on the ground, specifically at a customer's location, is very, very difficult. So the initial placement and the touch point for the container is extremely important to making sure that the customer is satisfied. If you're using basic equipment and the container somehow comes off in a location where the customer isn't satisfied, it's very difficult to then reload that container and reposition it. By having specialized equipment, by doing this routinely, we deliver and sell thousands and thousands of containers. We do this every day, all day, and we're very good at it. And it's important to note that the placement of the container is very important to ensure that the customer is happy. A lot of times people spend a lot of time and a lot of money preparing the site where the container is going to go. It's really important that it's placed specifically in the location where the customer is going to be very happy. If you're considering a shipping container for home or business storage, talk to our experts at Spaces first. Find us online at spacesstorage.ca.